Hi, my name is Kira. I am an elementary education major from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Most of my experience with the arts has to do with me seeing something, a painting or drawing, and wanting to copy that down and kind of turn it into something of my own. What I'm hoping from this course is to learn a little bit more about the arts and a way to incorporate that into my own classroom. So, my book is going to be called Making a Sound. It will mostly have to do with my journey to learn to play the flute. I'm going to use the single page, 8-page book. So, if I did it right, I think it's supposed to be a cover, 2 pages, 2 pages, 2 pages, and then the back. I'm going to be using watercolor paper because with the sounds coming out the flute, I thought it would be very, very cool to use watercolor to kind of illustrate that. So, this is my ideas for the book. Cover page is going to be called Making a Sound. Second page is going to be how I met my teacher, how I told him I was going to be the worst student he's ever had. Page 3 is going to be him telling me just to go home, play around, see if I can get a noise out. Page 4 is how I got very frustrated with that, how I was ready to quit, but I didn't. Page 5 will be me finally getting a noise out the flute. That's when the watercolor will come in, get that first noise in. Page 6 will be me going back to him kind of instructing me on how to start playing the notes. The last real page of the book will be me kind of starting to flourish. We'll see a little more of like the watercolor with the notes, and then on the back page, the back cover, I'm going to just do all sorts of stuff with like notes and watercolor and really just doing all sorts of fun stuff with that. So I have 3 different types of drawings and sketches I did. I did some stuff in marker, which will be translated to watercolor for the notes. I drew some sketches of flutes to try and understand how to draw those, and then I drew the 2 characters which would be in my book, which are me and my teacher. So here are different things I did for the notes. This top blue thing here is supposed to be like the first note I ever played. That's kind of how I pictured it. This is like different scales I'm used to playing. And then these are just like different types of things like I can kind of imagine going with playing the flute. Here are my attempts at drawing the flute. Kind of started here, went down like this. Eventually I came back up and I settled on something like this for the flute. So I'm probably going to end up doing something like that. But if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And then here are my attempts at drawing myself and my teacher. This is how I originally remembered him, but I got a picture online, so this is how he's actually going to look. And this is just a first attempt to draw myself. I'm not great at drawing human people and faces, so if you have any suggestions on that, let me know. Overall, though, that is kind of my sales pitch and my ideas for my book.